for the UDA party, that is where I was, and that is the party that helped me to be where I am. In Parliament, I supported the party. But of course, for this diplomatic work, it will not feature anywhere. I will serve everyone from Kenya. I will serve regardless of the parties, regardless of the races, regardless of the religion or tribe. I'm here to serve all Kenyans.
The Tokyo issue was and is a painful chapter in my impeccable career in the public service. And this happened within a broader decisions that were made by the government to procure assets within our missions abroad. I did go to Tokyo and I did write a report that recommended we purchase chancery and residence in Tokyo. The purchase went through all the procurement procedures, Mr. Chairman. I did not chair that, but nevertheless, this did raise concerns, and I was taken to court and later acquitted